We're showing the top bit short keys for iOS 11 up to iOS 15. Some of these probably do work on iOS 16. So the first series called Libya Raise. It should be used by only iRay products. It's closed library, no support. It's called Hide Dock BG, Hide Springboard Dock Background. Has a few options to color the dock. Allows floating dock on iPhone. Supports iOS 11 to 13, including A12. Slide cut. Compatible with iOS 5 to 15. Slide shortcut via space key. Tap space key, then slide the shortcut key and release finger. Now supporting shortcut keys are these right here. And there's no options to configure. It did add support for iOS 15. Floating dock XVI. Floating dock on iOS 16. So it supports iOS 15 to 16.2. So it's now compatible with iOS 11 up to iOS 16. Has ability to for other developers to add their own modules to Control Center. It does this in a safe way so the Control Center does not get messed up when the tweak is not loaded. So this is a tweak I actually have added. This tweak you need. If a lot of tweaks you guys can add as a Control Center. So this tweak is definitely a must download. Our front page and loads custom springboard themes that can change the look and feel of your device. Supports iOS 8 to 14. This week's called Notice Theft, and this week is the most complete tweak against pranksters, knowing people. Supports iOS 15 to 16.2. So, been reverted from scratch. The main concept behind this tweak is to protect your phone in public areas and places from knowing friends, coworkers, and people trying to access your phone. So you have alarm mode, lock screen mode, device location, remote commands. Just to ensure what you guys can do and say for a remote command. You can send an SMS when your phone is stolen. I guess I could tell you like the location or where it's at. You have safe Wi-Fi, extra options. You have enable low power mode, location on if it's off. You also have a 7-day refund, so pretty cool. Alright, next tweak is called DL Easy, and this is a tweak that allows you to download and share images and videos from social apps easily. Supports iOS 12 up to 15.7.2. So iOS 12 to 15 does support, and you have